outside there. Alright, Say Colors is coming. So big things are going tonight. I don't know. Yeah, let's go.
Check. Pretty girl, what I say? Let me say. What
you say? What? What you say? What you say? One more time. What? Yes, another PG. Yeah, man, I say up to the time. What do you say? Yeah, man, I say up to the time, up to the crowd. Yeah, man, I say always running the timer. Right about now, we say party a party scene. Can somebody say why? Yeah. Yes, sir. Let's go. What do you say? Champion! What do you say? I could have lost my cup. What do you say? Why?
I could have lost my gun, but I won.
What? This is everybody.
This.
What? Pussy.
From now, we are gonna call you pussy, and your man are gonna call you pussy. Why not here?